Today we will discuss about one important Power BI trick that will help you in your daily to daily project work. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our Power BI desktop file. So as you can see in my Power BI file, I took two um, already took two columns from Excel sheet, and let me show you the data. It is coming. Why the data is not showing? Yes. See, the data is customer ID and the transaction date. And as you can see, the transaction date is looking like 2020-01. That means January month 2020. But as you can see, this is not in a proper date format. It is the format is whole number, and this can happen in your current company also, where you are working in Power BI project. The data engineering team may process the date column as a whole number, or even may text column also, like it may be a text column also. Now you need a year column from it. Now you need a year column from it for your project need. Like you need to, let's say you need to build a slicer using that year column. So what transformation you need to do? Let me show you. So you will go to transform data. So in the transform data, what you guys will do, you will go to add column option and then date. But see, date is disabled because transaction in a number format, not in a date time format. So what is the option available? Here in this case, you can opt for this option, column from examples. Just click on it. Now from all columns or from selection? Obviously from the selected column we need. So click on this option from selection. So what you need to do is basically you need to write down one or two example from this transaction date. So let's say I am right. I need only year. That means 2020. So I will write 2020. Then enter. See, after giving 2020 as an example, Power BI automatically catches that all the transaction date the year is 2020 only. But wait a minute. Here also there is a problem. From 10th row it is showing 2020-01. This is not correct. Let me correct. This is not correct. So let me correct it. So it will also be 2020. Yes. So like this way you can add another column, and let me change the heading. This will be year. Enter. So all the steps are there. So like this way, like if you get a date format, like if you get a date column in text format or any number format or any decimal format, just use this column from example option and you will able to do this transformation. I hope you all have understood. Thank you very much.